In this short video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or on a Kamatera cloud server or VPS. First, log into your Kamatera account to be taken to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, on the left hand side, click on My Cloud, then click on Servers. You'll now be in Server Management, where you can see a list of all your servers. As you can see, I've got one server called OpenClaw-Bot. Currently, my server is in a powered on state. That's indicated by the green play button here underneath State. To turn off my Kamatera server, click on Actions for the server that you want to turn off. Once you've done that, look for where it says Power Off. Click on Power Off. Kamatera will then ask you, are you sure you want to power off this server? Powering off will force an immediate shutdown of the server. It's important that you stop any running applications or active processes before you power off your server. This will prevent any data loss or file corruption that could occur with a sudden shutdown. Also note that powering off a server does not mean you delete the server. You will still be billed according to your server plan with a powered off server. If you're happy to continue turning off your server, click on the box to check mark it to confirm and then click on Power Off. Once you've done that, the Power Off request will be added to tasks and queue, and in a couple of seconds your Kamatera VPS will be powered off. And that's indicated by the red square icon for stop underneath State. If you want to power on your server or turn it on, just repeat what you just did by clicking on Actions, then click on Power On. Powering on your server will be added as a task in Tasks and Queue, and in a couple of seconds it will be back online. And there we go, there's the green play button again, indicating that our server is powered on. And that pretty much concludes this short video on how to turn off or on a Kamatera cloud server or VPS. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?